Here's a list of top healthy salad recipes that are flavorful, nutrient-rich, and perfect for weight loss. 1. Mediterranean chickpea salad ingredients. 1. Chickpeas, 1 can, rinsed and drained. 2. Diced cucumber, tomatoes, and red onion. 3. Kalamata olives, sliced. 4. Feta cheese, optional. 5. Fresh parsley and mint. 6. Lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper instructions. Mix all ingredients in a bowl and toss with a dressing made from olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 2. Grilled chicken and avocado salad ingredients. 1. Grilled chicken breast, sliced. 2. Mixed greens, spinach, arugula, romaine. 3. Sliced avocado and cherry tomatoes. 4. Red onion, thinly sliced. 5. Olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, for dressing. Instructions: arrange greens on a plate, add toppings, and drizzle with a balsamic vinaigrette. 3. Quinoa and Kale superfood salad ingredients. 1. Cooked quinoa. 2. Kale, chopped and massaged with olive oil. 3. Diced sweet potato, roasted. 4. Pomegranate seeds. 5. Sliced almonds. 6. Lemon tahini dressing instructions: combine quinoa, kale, sweet potato, and other toppings. Toss with lemon tahini dressing. 4. Asian-inspired crunch salad ingredients. 1. Shredded cabbage and carrots. 2. Edamame, shelled. 3. Red bell peppers, thinly sliced. 4. Green onions. 5. Sesame seeds. 6. Soy sauce, rice vinegar, honey, sesame oil, for dressing. Instructions: mix all vegetables, then toss with the sesame soy dressing. 5. Berry and spinach salad ingredients. 1. Fresh spinach. 2. Mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 3. Sliced almonds or walnuts. 4. Crumbled goat cheese, optional. 5. Honey mustard vinaigrette instructions: top spinach with berries, nuts, and goat cheese. Drizzle with honey mustard vinaigrette. 6. Zucchini noodle caprese salad ingredients. 1. Zucchini noodles, zoodles. 2. Cherry tomatoes. 3. Fresh mozzarella balls. 4. Basil leaves. 5. Olive oil, balsamic glaze, salt, and pepper instructions: toss zucchini noodles with tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic glaze. 7. Avocado and black bean salad ingredients. 1. Black beans, 1 can, rinsed and drained. 2. Diced avocado, corn, and red bell pepper. 3. Cilantro, chopped. 4. Lime juice, cumin, salt, and pepper instructions: mix all ingredients and serve as a fresh and satisfying side or main dish. Tips for making weight loss salads. 1. Include protein. Add lean proteins like chicken, fish, tofu, beans, or lentils. 2. Healthy fats. Use avocados, nuts, seeds, or olive oil. 3. Fiber-rich veggies. Base your salad on greens like kale, spinach, or arugula for low-calorie satiety. 4. Homemade dressings. Skip store-bought dressings and opt for olive oil, lemon juice, or Greek yogurt-based options. Let me know if you'd like detailed instructions or substitutions for any of these recipes.